Dear Miss Arisgado, on behalf of my team at the Fullerton Hotel, Singapore, I would like to wish you a very happy birthday. May your special day be filled with pleasant surprises and your year ahead be full of happiness and joy.
Yes!
Attack!
Guys, I'm so... Open muna natin to. Okay, this is the sad part. Dahil wala tayong view ng marina. But that's okay. That's okay. Anyway, the lady in the front desk said that this is a fully newly renovated room. So okay, never mind. We can go and okay, hindi siya mabuksan. So ganyan siya. We will see people sitting here. But that's okay. That's okay. We're in a very great place right now. So as you can see, this is where we came from. This is the entrance. And then let's see. Okay. So gusot-gusot ang damit namin dahil nasa luggage, right? So we can iron our clothes. And these are wardrobes where we can put our stuff. And of course, meron kami nito, diba? Para feel na. Meron din kami, tada! Very important, chinelas. And how about the other one? Okay, meron siyang safe. All hotels have the safe where you put all your valuables here while you're out. But I think we don't need that. Here in Singapore, the people are very honest. Even if they see a valuable there, they won't pick it up, right? So how about this place? Okay, this is the toilet / shower, bathtub, lahat na nandito. Come inside, don't be shy. So here, let's turn on.
Let's turn on.
Wow, yung toilet seat nila bumubukas ng pusa. Wow! Nagulat ako. So this is the shower. And they have all the stuff, so I did not need to bring anything, shampoo, conditioner, whatsoever, because they have this Atkinson's brand of products. So ayan, may shower. Sana hindi din siya automatic, no? Ayan. And while you're showering, if you feel tired, you can actually sit here and shower. Oh, diba? Amazing! So, this is the toilet. The toilet seat is automatic. Automatic siya. Wow! Camera, can you focus on this, please? Look at this. You can actually... Wow! You can open and close the toilet seat using this button here. Oh, amazing! And then what are this? Weird. Okay, we cannot press that one because if we press that one, we'll all be wet. So hindi mo na kailangan ng, I think, water hose here because a water will come out and then wash your bum like that. So meron siyang rear, meron din siyang front. Wow! May rear, my front. Oh, meron pa siyang dryer. But let me press the dryer and let's find out what's going to happen. Hello? Are you not working? Maybe it needs a person. And then... Meron siyang sensor, guys! It doesn't work when you're not seated. It works when you're seated. So you can hear... I cannot feel it because I have my pants on. Oh yeah, I can actually. Wow! You don't need this anymore. Conserve earth. Conserve paper. It's very good for the environment. Just, air coming and drying your bum. It's amazing. And what is this? Pressure. Oh, there's a pressure. If you press this one, there's a pressure actually when you need to pressurize the water coming out, So this is the pressure. It can go up and down. And oscillating, I have no idea what oscillating is. Oh, I know now. Because oscillating, there's an oscillating function in the fan. So it can like that, the water. Can you imagine? Okay. Wow. What would be you can actually call someone? Huh. Amazing. I love this toilet. And okay, I was so excited. Nakaka-excite mag-poop doon. What's here? Let's see. Okay, drawers. The material. It's a bit, this one is, ano tawag doon? Meron siyang mansya. Okay. Meron siyang mansya. So, that's okay. And, body lotion, shampoo, and, wow! I thought this is made of paper or carton, but it's very heavy. Wow! Meron siyang, I don't know what. Okay. Shower caps, cotton buds, shaving cream, toothbrush, hair combs, and all that stuff. The very basic stuff that you find in hotels. And also, there is a hand towel. Meron din silang perfume soap. So you basically just bring yourself in the hotel. You don't need to bring any stuff like towels or shampoo and all the stuff. You don't need to think about that because they are all provided. Unless, sensi ka, you have your own products with you. Ay, bakit bubuksan? So this is the tissue. I'm so excited. I'm so hyped. Woo! I'm so happy. In the middle of this room tour, I just would like to thank my employer, the Kretzer family, my boss. Woo! You're the best. I'm super hyped. I really love this. I'm so excited. And I'm looking forward. I told my boss actually that I will be experiencing the bathtub because last year when we were in Datay, I was not able to do it because I'm always tired already from the beach. So I was not really, hindi ko na-experience ang bathtub. So I'm looking forward to this one. But what's this? I think when you need to put it somewhere so it's not slippery. So yeah. Towel. And you just need to put your stuff here. It's very spacious. But unfortunately, I'm single. So, perfect for one person. But if you're married, only if you're married, I'm not going to say anything more. Alright! Meron pa siyang shower. Oh, see? May hot water, may cold water. Wow! I'm so hyped. See, may ano pa dito. Okay. Ah! Perfect! We have a dryer. But they don't have the hair iron, but I have the hair iron, so that's okay. Alright. Let's go to the room. Oh! Yan yung. Lumabas ako na, na naman yung. What's this for? What's this? Oh, this is a cable. Just in case you need a cable, here's the cable. Here's the laundry bag. We don't need that. We're only staying here for 2 days and 2 nights. Alright, dito naman tayo sa loob ng bedroom. So, we have the very big TV. Is it called TV? And then we also have this tab for, I don't know what purpose. Oh yeah, it is a message from the hotel, like welcome guest, welcome Ayla and Miss Con. So yeah, and we have the speaker. So you don't really need the speaker. We have our own. We have the remote control for the TV. And what's there? Is this a secret compartment? No. So yeah, you can also like sit here and just relax. While, I don't know, what's the purpose of this chair? So this is the bedside table, bedside lamp. There's a clock. You have the phone. And this is the drawer. It's empty. And here you can put something, maybe your food, I think. So you can actually just lie down and have a food without putting it on your bed. You get what I mean. And yeah, so what else? We have the mini bar. It has a very nice. What is this made? Made of bronze. No, I'm sure it's not gold. And then we have the food here. Merong cup noodles. But I don't think they are free. I think you will be paying for it. And this one, this coffee is actually nothing special. This coffee. Okay, so there is water. This is the coffee maker. I need to check first though if they are for free, because I heard from one that it's not free, but I'm not sure. So these are tea. These are tea, sugar, English breakfast tea. There is oolong, prestige, sencha, and chamomile.
This expensive tea.
And we have the water heater and the ice bucket. I don't really need that. Maybe the water heater we don't need. Yeah, I opened that one already. So we have the cups and teaspoon for the tea that we'll be making. We have the wine glass, wine opener, but we don't really drink wine. So, but Miss Con drink wine. I don't. And what else is here? Oh, we have the fridge. We have the fridge, and it has, of course, merong drinks, my soft drinks, my ayan drinks. But yeah, I need to make sure that it's already free, because sometimes it happens, you know, they will charge for those stuff. And there's another desk. I would really love to do a live stream here, or just do your work. I don't know, like edit your videos, or write something like letters for your loved ones, and then you sit here, and there's this light, and there's another phone, there's a bean, and let's check out what's in here in the drawer. Okay, another useless, nothing flat drawer. It's empty. It cannot be opened. Okay, never mind. Well, this one, okay, stuff, another. I think for someone who does a lot of work, this will be great. And storage, and there's a bin for throwing your I don't know, your so yeah, I always do this every time I do a room tour, of course, to test the bed. Before that, need to, for safety purposes, I don't want to break my glasses. So let's test the bed, how good the bed is. Are you prepared, guys? Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I love this bed. It's not too soft and it's not too hard. It's perfect for my liking, charot. And it's bouncy. I really love this. Yeah, thank you very much, Fullerton Hotel. Thank you to my boss for treating me this Fullerton experience. Ayan. I'm really looking forward going to the pool, going for high tea, and all other stuff. And I would like to share it with you guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and hit the subscribe button, notification, and hit the like, and comment down below just whatever, anything that you thought, anything that kung ano pumasok sa isip nyo, just write it down in the comment. Let me know how you feel, because I'm super happy, and that's all. I'm tired. Ano, bisita lang yung sa kadayo. So,